Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amber. Today is another plan with me video. I'm going to show you my weekly layout spread. This week is a very exciting week for us. It is my son's 5th birthday. Bittersweet. For any of you other mamas, you know that each year it's just bittersweet. That's all you can say. So I'm really excited for his birthday this week, so I wanted to do a spread of just bright and pretty colors, because last week when I attempted to stick to a color scheme, I didn't like how it turned out. Although you all enjoyed it and thought it was nice, I just felt restricted. I feel like my spreads turn out better, and I'm just more excited to open my planner when I create and lay down with just how I want instead of sticking to a certain color. So I like all different colors, all different patterns, all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my stickers, put something nice together, and I hope you guys get some inspiration to go ahead and pull out your planner and decorate. But it's not always just about decorating. I want you guys to actually write in it and try to use your planner so you can function off of it, because that's the main purpose, right? So if you are new here, I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe. If you enjoy these type of videos, I do these every Sunday, and then I mix in cleaning, lifestyle. I'm trying to get more into vlogs. Anything, I have it, most likely. So subscribe. I would love to have you guys join my family. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna put on some music for you guys, show you my layout, and let's get to planning. So this is a real life moment right here. I contemplated about just not even doing this video at all, because come to find out, when I was creating the layout for the other sheet, I thought I was filming, which I wasn't. I had to stop to do something for my kids, and when I came back, evidently I didn't turn on the camera. So real life mama struggles of being distracted and stopping. So I decided just to leave it in. It is what it is. I still wanted to show you guys the overall outcome, and then just keep it real, because that's what I like to do here on my channel. It's all about just real life and real situations, instead of, sugarcoating or just trying to portray everything is perfect, because it's not. In real life, when I'm trying to plan, I'm being interrupted. I'm stopping a million times. I wish it took me 4 minutes to sit down and plan, but it doesn't. And that's okay, because it's a part of being a mom. And I wouldn't change it for the world. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know your preference, if you would like to see how I fill out my planner at the end, or if you just prefer the layout spread to give you all of the cuteness and the decorating side of it. Let me know in the comments below. I hope all of you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for your support as always. I'll see you in my next video.